In the Settings tab, under the App Variable settings, you can see all the app variables on your app. App variables allow you to reuse values in multiple places. If you want to change the value, you can change the variable value once with the impact cascading everywhere in your app. Here are some of the default app variables that are built into the app. Let's use one of the default app variables. In an HTML component, you can display the current date and time by adding the current date variable. Here you can see the current date is displayed. Additionally, you can add your own app variables. Simply give your variable a name and then create the ID that will be displayed in the HTML. You can either add a static value, like a company name, or you can create a formula. For example, you might want a variable that will display the total jobs that have a status of active. Now you can display your new app variable in an HTML component. You can also display any field belonging to the logged in user from the user's data table in an HTML component.